Tell that to the Covenant.
Don't buy into the theory that the trades are an option B, because the trades are really an option A that are a pathway to an even better option A, because the trades are going to take you around the world if you let it, because the opportunities are everywhere. Everything you see around you at this expo today is something that's impacting the whole world.
It's changing.
It's changing, that's right, and you're on the leading edge of change. All of this technology that's being debuted here today will only change in the next 10 years faster than it's changed in the last 50.
Yep.